Hey guys, it's Fancy and you're watching the Good Wives Network, and we're back with part 4 of Nicholas's federal habeas corpus, and this is the wrap-up of it. I've done 3 episodes already with this. Here's the rest of it. So this is part 12. Okay, so we are in part 12, ongoing prejudice and misconduct. Even after petitioner's conviction, co-defendant Gypsy Rose Blanchard continues to make public statements, interviews, and social media posts that misrepresent the facts of the case and slander the petitioner. The ongoing efforts are designed to manipulate public opinion and reinforce a false narrative. That same one that prejudiced petitioner's trial and contributed to the Constitution violations outlined in this reply. Her public platform, bolstered by media deals, book releases, and large online following, allows her to spread damaging and unverified claims without scrutiny. She frequently reaches out to media outlets such as People magazine and TMZ to repeat distorted accounts and cast herself as a victim, while publicly vilifying the petitioner. This ongoing campaign of misinformation not only re-traumatizes the petitioner, but also actively undermines his access to justice and fair post-conviction review. Additionally, petitioner has reason to believe that the co-defendant was involved, or at minimum had knowledge of and access to, a scheme designed to infiltrate his private communications post-conviction. This is the Dawn shit, and I'm telling you, it goes much deeper than what you guys have been told about it. This operation involved individuals who misrepresented themselves in order to gain petitioner's trust, including posing as romantic partners with the apparent goal of eliciting emotionally vulnerable or inflammatory statements. Since her release from parole, the co-defendant has publicly referenced and disseminated private messages obtained through this deception in a continued effort to discredit petitioner and shape public opinion against him, whether by direct participation or by weaponizing materials shared with her. The conduct raises serious concerns about ongoing retaliation and interference with the petitioner's access to fair post-conviction review. Petitioner respectfully urges the court to consider this continuing damage caused by this campaign, which stems directly from the trial's flaws, including prosecutorial misconduct, jury taint, and failure to challenge false testimony. He requests a fair and impartial review of the full record and the opportunity to finally present the truth. Disclosure regarding assistance. I, Nick Godejohn, am proceeding pro se in this matter. The preparation of this response was done with assistance of an individual outside the correctional system who supports me. This person is not an attorney and provided no legal advice. I affirm that all statements, claims, and arguments presented are my own, and I take full responsibilities for the contents of the filing. Should the court find that additional documentation is necessary to elevate the claims raised herein, petitioner respectfully requests the opportunity to supplement the record or provide supporting exhibits upon request. Respectfully submitted, Nicholas Paul Godejohn, pro se. And so this was filed this morning. This was his last day to file this, and so he did. And so that is it. That is the full petitioner's reply to respondents' response to order to show cause. So there we have it, guys. And I've got a lot of things that I want to say about it. We will be doing segments on it and talking about it through the rest of the week. And I do know that we're going live later tonight with Mimi and Jen and all of them over here, and we're going to talk about Ryan Anderson's live tonight, and some of this as well as the petition that I have started. It's in our link tree. So if you go up to the top and you click on the little link that's up there, it's going to drop down here. There's going to be 3 little options that you can choose. It's the second option, and you click on that. It says link tree, and you go to that, and then there's a list of all different things. At the very top of that list is the Dee Dee's petition, and so you can follow that directly to the petition petition, see what it's about, and help support justice for Dee Dee and Dee Dee's law. Have a good one from the Good Wives, serving up true crime, one dish at a time. Bye, guys. Mwah.